Daily routine. Wash the dishes after using it. Washing the dishes immediately after using them is a simple yet powerful daily routine that keeps your kitchen clean, organized, and free from unwanted odors. By rinsing and scrubbing plates, cups, and utensils right after meals, you prevent food stain from hardening and save time during cleanup. This healthy habit not only promotes better hygiene but also creates a clutter-free cooking space, making meal preparation more enjoyable. Incorporating the practice of washing dishes after every use into your daily routine ensures a sparkling kitchen, reduces bacteria buildup, and maintains the fresh, welcoming home environment. Determine what days you will accomplish regular household chores and write it down. Determining what days you will accomplish regular household chores and writing it down is an effective daily routine for staying organized and stress free. By scheduling tasks like laundry and vacuuming or dusting on specific days, you will create a consistent cleaning plan that prevents clutter from filling up. Write it down. Your household core schedule also serves as a visual reminder, keeping you accountable and motivated. This simple habit helps maintain a clean, tidy home while saving time and energy in the long run. Have a game plan for your day. Having a game plan for your day is a powerful daily routine that boosts productivity, focus, and time management. By outlining your priorities, setting realistic goals, and creating a clear schedule, you avoid distractions and make the most of your time. A daily game plan also reduces stress by giving you a structure and direction, ensuring important tasks don't get overlooked. Whether it's work, household chores, and personal goals, starting your day with a plan helps you stay motivated, organized, and in control. Make a 3-item to-do list and commit to accomplishing them first before taking up other tasks. Making a 3-item to-do list and committing to those tasks first is highly effective daily routine for boosting productivity and focus. By identifying your top 3 priorities each day, you ensure that the most important work gets done before distractions take over. This simple habit prevents overwhelm, increases efficiency, and gives you a sense of accomplishment early in the day. A focused to-do list keeps you organized, reduce procrastinations, and help you stay consistent with your daily goals, making in one of the best time management strategies for success. Have an afternoon quiet time. Having an afternoon quiet time is a valuable daily routine that helps you recharge, reduce stress, and improve focus for the rest of the day. Taking even 50 to 30 minutes to pause, relax, and meditate allows your mind and body to rest, boosting productivity and mental clarity. This simple habit not only enhances overall well-being but also prevent burnout by giving you a healthy balance between work and rest. Making afternoon quiet time a consistent part of your routine promotes mindfulness, relaxation, and a calmer lifestyle. Do something you enjoy. Doing something you enjoy every day is an essential daily routine that supports mental health, happiness, and overall well being. Whether it's reading a book, gardening, cooking, or listening to music, taking time for enjoyable activities reduces stress and creates balance in your routine. Prioritizing habits or simple pleasure boosts motivation, increases positivity, and helps you recharge after daily responsibilities. Making room for enjoying in your schedule not only improves your mood but also encourages a healthier, more fulfilling lifestyle. Share something you are reading, listening to, or learning with your spouse or friend. Sharing something you are reading, listening to, or learning with your spouse or friend is a meaningful daily routine that strengthens relationships and encourages personal growth. Discussing books, podcasts, or new ideas not only deepens your connection but also help you process information and gain fresh perspectives. This simple habit turns everyday learning into engaging conversations, making it easier to stay motivated and inspired. By sharing knowledge or experiences, you build stronger bonds, improve communication, and create lasting memories with the people who matter most. Do something kind for someone around you. Doing something kind for someone around you is a powerful daily routine that spreads positivity and strengthens relationships. Small acts of kindness like offering a compliment, helping with the task so simple, listening, create a ripple effect of goodwill and happiness. This habit not only brightens someone else's day but also boosts your own mood, reduces stresses, and promotes emotional well-being. By making kindness part of your daily routine, you build stronger connection, nurture a caring environment, and contribute to the more positive community. In next tutorial, I will bring you daily routine English tutorials. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.